Hey there, this is Ian Perry, Project Supervisor at Candrone. In the ever-evolving landscape of telecommunications and power distribution, the maintenance of power poles is a critical yet challenging task. Traditional inspection methods are not only time-consuming, but also fraught with safety risks. Today, drone technology provides a groundbreaking solution, transforming this essential service into a safer, faster, and more efficient operation. The DJI Mavic 3E, a drone equipped with unparalleled imaging capabilities, has emerged as a pivotal tool in power pole inspections. With its high-resolution cameras and sophisticated sensors, it provides an exhaustive view of power poles, facilitating detailed inspections from a safe distance. This is an advancement and a significant stride forward, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries that were once commonplace with manual inspections. AT&T's innovative approach to incorporating drones, such as the DJI Inspire 1, into their maintenance routine underscores the transformative potential of this technology. Art Pregler, the drone program director at AT&T, has illustrated how drones have redefined safety protocols and operational efficiencies within the company. These unmanned aerial vehicles enable direct and immediate communication between tower technicians and drone operators, optimizing the inspection process and quickly addressing critical areas. The DJI Mavic 3T goes even further, boasting high-resolution and thermal imaging capabilities along with sophisticated 3D mapping. The data amassed from these drones provides a comprehensive assessment of power infrastructure before serious problems arise. Early detection of failing infrastructure is crucial for maintaining the integrity of power distribution networks and avoiding costly outages. For operators, the adoption of drones for power pole inspections greatly enhances the worker's safety by reducing the need for hazardous manual inspections. Drones also bring significant cost savings by decreasing the labor and operational expenses traditionally associated with manual inspections. The efficiency and increased productivity they offer are unparalleled as they cover expansive areas with rapid data turnaround. The Mavic 3E stands out with its advanced camera features. This technology is ideal for capturing intricate details of power infrastructure, facilitating inspections that are detailed as they are safe. The Mavic 3E's versatility is a testament to its design, which caters to a range of professional applications beyond just surveying and inspection, including security and monitoring tasks. This adaptability makes it an indispensable asset in power pole inspections. An additional benefit is the intelligent flight battery's fast charging ability, which fully charges the drone in approximately 70 minutes. This quick turnaround is crucial in scenarios where time is of the essence, and the operational efficiency is key to success. Drones like the Mavic 3E and the Mavic 3T offer comprehensive advantages, including enhanced safety by reducing the need for manual inspections, cost effectiveness through the reduction of traditional inspection costs, and improved accuracy and efficiency in data acquisition. Drones represent a shift towards a more intelligent and resilient telecommunications infrastructure, and Candrone is providing specialized drone services that enable telecom companies to advance forward. Contact us today for a consultation on how the Mavic 3 Enterprise can be used in the telecommunication industry. All purchases are accompanied by comprehensive training as per Candrone's standard of excellence. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to our social media channels and go to candrone.com for more information on this and other topics. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're always happy to help.